Hi, welcome to our first session, which is going to explain you how to promote your product or services on the Facebook. In this first session, we are going to learn how you can easily boost your post to reach masses. And while boosting the post, you can also set up some of the goals. Although it's limited, you can set up quite flexible or complex goals, but still it's good to get started. So let's say like first of all you got to come to this URL facebook.com and log in. On the left you will see all the pages which you would like to promote. In my case I have many pages because I am an agency. So let's start promoting our page, which is a Hunza Fresh, and they sell dry fruits. So just now I have just posted a post here, and I would like it to be reached to the maximum audience. So one thing I would like to mention here, that why a post is important for your Facebook promotion. So your post is important because, for example, my Facebook likes are really low, like it's 23 likes. For my Facebook likes are how much? How many Facebook likes do I have? Oh yeah. So I have like 335 Facebook likes. So whenever I post anything on the Facebook, it's not necessary that it will reach to all those 300 or 350 people who like my page. With this boost, there is a good chances that this particular page or this particular post will be reaching to maximum people who like my page. So let's see how we can do that. And plus, it can go beyond your audience, which is already been within your circle. So it's very simple. This is your post. I click on the boost. When I click on the boost, it will open up a next page. First of all, I'm going to set up what account I'm going to use. As I said, that this is my agency account. So I got all my clients, they got their different accounts. Every account has got their own credit card and payment method. So I will use a Hunza Fresh payment method. And then here it says that what are your goals. So I can change the goal. I can change to set messages. I can set visitors or engagements or leads or phone call, whatever. But here I would like to keep it automatic so that Facebook can determine itself and send me the right audience. Then second option, it asks you that what kind of button do you want. So I say I would like to have like a shop now button, and it says that if you would like to have a shop now button, probably you need to crop the page. I say yeah, sure. So there is nothing to crop, and it's always recommended that use the Facebook recommended size so that you don't have to crop anything. So I just crop the page. Let's see again, it doesn't crop anything. Image proportion is original. I don't have to crop anything. Then here I can select that who are my target audience. So usually we select that I want people from this particular area to buy my product. So in my case, I would like to promote my product to a place called Boat Basin, that's in Karachi, and that's people there, they like all those dry fruits and stuff like that. So I selected that I want to reach 1 mile of the Boat Basin, but still I would like to also promote my product to Zamzama and also the defense. You can see there is a two area where there is a good uh, uh, audience who can buy my product. So what I will do, I'll just increase the size to maybe 3 miles. So with 3 miles it will cover all the areas. Or I can, what I can do, I can be more precise. I can just make 1 mile and I can drop a pin here. I can drop a pin on defense. I can drop a pin on defense and I can set to 1 mile. So what happened is, see, you can see two different area I have selected. So again, I can select one more area. For example, I would like to also promote my product to, for example, somewhere here in defense. So I will again drop my another pin. Okay, right. So I'll make it again. I'll reduce the size. Um, this is a good size. I'd like to cover this much area. So see what happened that if you make like a 10-mile radius, so it will cover a large geological location, but I don't want to promote my product to this Orangi or Malir or that area. I would just like to promote my product or services in Clifton and Defense area only. So I selected the target. The next thing I would like to target is that who are the right person for me. So the right person are people who make their own food, who love organic food, uh, like who travel a lot. People who travel, they actually those are the people who uh, so see it says frequent international travelers. So these are the people who actually buy some quality products. Otherwise, people who are very much you know average person, they will not buy expensive dry fruits. So I selected. So what I did, I selected locations, and I selected the behavior, interest and behavior, what we call. So that's the second thing I selected, and then I go forward and I save the audience, right? It shows me that what is my estimated audience, which is almost 200,000, so which is good for me, and I just save my audience. So I save my audience. It says here location is this, both based on this thing, and the interest, people interest and behavior is this one. At the same time, I can also opt that I can also select. I just would like to promote those people who have liked my page, or those people who like my page and their friends and family. And then I have another audience which has been pre-selected earlier. I can use one of the saved audience. So whatever is right for you. Second, how long you would like to run the campaign. So it is very important that your campaign should be at least 7 to 14 days, and then you can set the budget, because Facebook can't get your campaign out in 1 or 2 days time. It takes at least 3 days time to understand that uh, uh, what is your product and who are your audience, because it has got its own algorithm where it checks that which who people who are clicking the ads and who are placing the order. So based on the algorithm, then uh, it shares your ad to those particular right target audience. Here what I did, I set my ad for like 1,000 rupees a day, which is like $8 a day, and 7 days for 7 days, so means 8 7 8 ja 56. I'll be charged $56 for 7 days, and it asked me that do you have any pixel? Let me see if I have any pixel. No, I don't have pixel. Yeah, I don't have any pixel set on this, but it is always recommended that you should have your pixel properly set. The minimum budget is 179 per day, so your budget needs to be at least one. Uh, okay, so it says like you should say like so this it says total budget, not per day budget. Your total budget is how much for 7 days. So my total budget for the 7 days is 5,000 rupees. So I set my budget for 5,000 rupees. Again, I'll just go from start. I set up the automatic. I set up that I should that the shop now button should come here, and if anybody will click, it will take to my website. Um and then I set up the audience, and I said that I don't have my ad which is relevant to employment or credit or whatever. I set up the audience. I have an option that I can set up other audience, like people who like my page, or people who like my page, their friends and family. Or I can take any of old audience, or I can create a new one. And then I can set up a budget that total budget is my 5,000 for 7 days, and that will end up on March 25th. And I have an option that I can it also give you an option that where you want to place your ad. So I can place my ad on Instagram, on Messenger, so I can select or deselect from here. And I can also add a pixel. This particular website doesn't have pixel, but in my next video I can show you that how the pixel will come up. And pixel is very important, then only you can actually see that how many people are coming to your websites, and how many are making purchase. So I just selected all those things, and I click on a boost, and my post is ready to boost. So this is a very simple and easy way you can promote your product services and boost your product. And and go to the ad center. If you go to the ad center, it will show you that this particular product is being boosted, and yeah, this is particular is being boosted, and you can see that how many ads you've been running, how many ads, like these two ads I got in review, and they have been boosted. And in previously I also boost some of other campaign, and whenever I spend 1,000 rupees I get so many reach and so many posts. So based on that you can actually set your future budget accordingly. So here I set up like almost 1,100. I got so many link clicks. So again, there are different approach objectives for your campaign. It can be reach, it can be link click, it can be calls, or as you see, as we see that instead of automatic, there are 5 different ways you can set your ad objective. So that's all for this first session, which is how to boost your campaign on Facebook. Thank you very much.